Ya.
Sambil nunggu.
Pak Arif siap-siap. Nilainya akan diumumkan.
Arif Grammar
Harus
Purnama.
disebut 2 kali nilai Pak Arif.
Dak dikduk deh. Orang diturunin tuh kata si Emma tadi.
Masa?
Katakan keras, katakan dengan keras.
Nanti kita
Arif
tepuk tangan
Grammar
ya, apa
Purnama.
gimana? Wah, Pak Arif nih langsung ini nih
Paling-
langsung
Sofi mah
pengen.
yang suruh
Pak
dia
Arif
tepuk
pasti langsung pengen GoFood kan ya?
Iya,
Langsung
langsung
GoFood. Saya GoFood
Pengen
kita.
GoFood banget
Ayo
ya.
Pak, GoFood Pak.
kopi gue. Katakan
Ya.
dengan keras. Kopi irang.
Di warung.
Class,
Saya kirim lewat
I'm
WA
going
ya.
to attend your presence ya, while waiting for Pak Tuhu.
Oke.
Oh, Pak Tuhu yang absen gitu.
Tuh
Enggak.
lagi
Saya nyiapin tugasnya. Tugas yang
Sama lagi itu ini. Apa aku yang absen? Arif Purnama.
Nanti dipanggil.
katakan dengan keras Arif Purnama.
92.
Mary jangan cantimin lo mau gue Mer.
92. Gue kan masih semangat. Biar gue dapat traktiran kopi dia
Kan gue nyontek sama lo.
Januari
nyontek sama lo, Mer.
Apa?
Kan gue nyontek sama lo.
Bukan enggak gitu ya. Gue nyontek sama lu. Kita katakan dengan keras ya. Nanti tepuk sakina dia.
Tahu-tahuan lo tepuk sakina.
Ya. Putri Andini, are you there, Putri?
Yes, ma'am.
Just say yes, Put.
Yes, ma'am.
Ada ya. Athena, your name is here in front of me. Means
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
you're present. Uni Handayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Uni.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Are you, Uni? You look so
Yes,
pretty.
ma'am. I'm here.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Yes, Ani. Uni.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Next. Rahmati.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Rahmati. Arif Purnama.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Katakan dengan keras.
Liga Valiansa.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Thank you, Liga. Tuhu ada.
Present.
Putri Ngawira. Putri.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, you the pretty one. Sofiati Ilmah.
Sofiatul.
Sofiatul.
Yeah.
Ya, Sofiatul. It's not ready yet. Twin.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Twin. Nurlina.
Cuti.
That
Cuti,
is
ma'am.
Florence. Yeah, Florence Mary.
I am here.
Nah, Twinny ada tadi ya.
Bu ini.
Butuh ini tuh, Eyang.
Twinny Zulia, ya. Terus ini tadi Sofiatul, ada tidak Sofiatul? Sof? Enggak ada. Nurlina. Nur. Are you there, Nur?
Izin.
Izin.
Iya.
Oh ya. Oke. Hasanah. Hasanah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ayo Hasanah.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh ya. Merianti.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya. Thank you. Rahayu Erlina.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Atifatur.
Yes, Eyang.
Thank you. Fitri,
Yes. Yes.
Maulidia.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Zahro,
Present, ma'am. Yes, I'm here.
thank you. Esther,
Present, ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
Esther,
ma'am.
thank you. Haris,
Ya, present yang.
thank you, Haris.
Ya, welcome.
Astri,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you, Astri.
You're welcome.
Now I'm going to announce your
Duh,
scores.
belum ada suaranya. Diacak-acak lagi.
Oh, sana suaranya bocor.
Ya. Arif, Arif Purnama, Arif Purnama,
Yes,
you want to
ma'am.
know your score? Your
I
score
don't
is
know.
88,
88.
and for the class performance is 75. Haris also 88. For your
Not 92.
presenting score is 80. Your pronunciation is quite good. Astri Permatasari is 84.
Thank you, ma'am.
And for presentation, 75. Esther Suryani is 76. And for presentation is 75. Fitri Maulidia, 92. For her presentation is 70. Hasana is 90. I think she's the highest, yeah. Hasana is 96, but presentation 60. Liga Valiansyah 80, presentation 75. Marianti is 80, presentation 73. Nurlina 76, presentation 70. Putri Ngawira for her mid-test is 92, presentation 75. Rahmati Kurata, she's not here today.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Rahmati,
I'm
yang
here.
Emma itu Rahmati. Yeah, Rahmati is 84. Presentation 75. Sofiati Irma 80. Presentationnya belum. Tuhu 80. Presentation moderator 80. Twini Zulia 92. Presentation 75. Rahayu Erlina 84. Presentation 70. Uni Handayani 88. Presentation 70. Zahra 76. Presentation belum. Putri Andini 88. Presentation belum. Sudah. I'm quite satisfied. In fact, I'm very pleased.
Sorry, ma'am. Zahro already presentation last week.
Sahra,
Zahro.
yes, Sahra, yeah, for her mid-test, yeah, Sahra for her mid-test is 76.
I mean the presentation, ma'am. Last week, I already presentation with my group.
Sudah ya?
Sudah, ma'am.
Or is there, I have to check. Yeah,
Yes,
I'll tell
thank
you next time.
ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Kadang-kadang saya lupa ditulisnya di buku lain. another book.
Eyang, may
That
I
is for my daily work.
Eyang,
Yes.
can
Any
you
questions?
can you tell about Atifatur again? My scores.
Yeah. What's your name again?
Atifatur.
Yeah. For your test, mid-test is 88, and for your presentation is 75.
Okay, thank you.
Presentation pada umumnya sama 75 or 70. You should pay more attention, improve your pronunciation, the way you read.
Not Eyang.
The stuff for today is quite complicated, yeah. What we are going to discuss now today. Yeah, it's already time actually to.
Today is the presentation of my own group 1, consisting of Putri Andini, Tuhu, and Astri.
Putri Andini has a nice score, 92 and 75.
Can we start now? Putri?
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
Will be
Yes,
the
ma'am.
moderator. Putri will be the moderator.
Today.
Yeah, today. Yeah.
Tapi kan dia sudah dapat giliran for presenting.
Yeah,
The second.
we've got
Dan
twice time actually.
skornya 75.
Each group has twice or two presentations.
Twice,
Each
yeah.
group, yeah. 2 presentations for each group. Now, Putri is the second presentation.
Wait. Yeah, there are in your class there are 20 people, yeah.
19 people.
Oh, 19.
Yeah.
Yalah, harus 2 kali.
Yeah.
Karena kelasnya jumlah mahasiswanya hanya 19, sedangkan kuliah-kuliahnya itu ada kuliahnya kan ada 17 atau 18, jadi hanya sekali saja, atau ada yang kenapa ada yang sampai 2 kali?
Satu grup 3 orang.
Iya.
Ya. Kan dalam
Tapi satu grup 3 orang, tapi seluruh satu semester itu gets only 1 turn.
Two presentation. Before mid semester and after mid semester with different subject.
Ya, itu tapi the second semester kan belum ya.
Belum. After semester.
Nanti pasti ada 2 kali, ada nilainya tambah 1 lagi.
Ya,
ya belum. Saya baru ada 1.
Iya, betul.
Ini. Mungkin kalau yang 2 kali saya belum itu bisa dilihat kan dari sini, dari HP, dari komputernya. Kalau 2 kali Putri Andini kan tuh.
Untuk Bu Putri yang kedua, saya yang kedua juga, UASI juga sama yang kedua ya. Untuk presentasi.
Tapi kalau yang kedua belum.
Baru mau ini.
Hari ini.
Iya.
Oh.
Iya.
Tapi sebagai chief of class atau sebagai moderator atau sebagai presenter, mana saja.
Ya.
Anda yang kedua hari ini.
Ya, yang sebagai moderator Putri Andini, Putri Andini Kameswara. Di layar ada yang di sini kan? Kelihatan nggak yang?
Ya, dan Astri Permatasari.
Betul.
Can we start, Eyang?
Bisa dimulai.
Oh, can we start? Wow, we should have started already. It's past 9.
Yeah, it's press already. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Miss Putri, the moderator.
Okay, Eyang. Yeah, let me start the class for today. Good morning, everyone.
Yang belakang dulu.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a special list for scores. All right.
Headsetnya yang pakai headsetnya.
Okay, Eyang, let me start the presentation for today.
Yes.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Eyang.
Good morning.
Okay, thank you so much for responding to me. First of all, we'd like to thank our lecturer, Professor Dr. Sunarjati Jajanegara, for giving us this opportunity. And thank you also to everyone for joining our presentation today. We're excited to share our materials for today, but before we begin, let me introduce our team first. My name is Putri Andini, and I will be starting the presentation, and as a moderator, joining me are Mr. Tuhuyono, and also Miss Astri Permatasari. We hope you to find our presentation insightful.
Ini dilepas dulu ya? Ya, sudah. Ya. Tunggu, Bu. Tunggu dulu.
Sorry, class. Sorry. I'm afraid I have to ask you. Oh, ini untuk speakernya.
Iya, itu speakernya.
Class, I'm afraid I have to ask you to repeat. Because I have a special book here for scores and a special book for presentation. So the presenters, the moderator today is to who?
Putri. Moderator Putri Andini.
Putri. And the presenters are?
Tuhu and Astri.
Tuhu and?
Astri.
Astri.
Astri Permatasari.
Only two?
Yeah.
No, ma'am. Putri juga ini. I'm also being as a presenter at the same time, moderator and as a presenter.
Yeah, yeah. 2 jobs, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes, you can continue. Putri.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Professor Dr. Sunarjati Jajanegara, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you also to everyone for joining our presentation today. We're excited to share our materials today. But before we begin, let me introduce our team. Like I've mentioned before, my name is Putri Andini. I will be as a
Can you speak
moderator.
louder, please, Putri?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be as a moderator and as a presenter at the same time. And joining me are Mr. Tuhu Wiono and Miss Astri Permatasari. And now let's get started. Okay, Mr. Tuhu, please. Next. Okay, there are some contents here. And for number 1 and number 2, that will be delivered by me and Mr. Tuhu at the same time. And then for the materials 3, that's for Mr. Tuhu and Miss Astri, and then number 4 as well. And the last is about references. All right, next page, Mr. Tuhu. Mr. Tuhu. Okay, the first material, it's about. Oh, okay. Yang mau kemana lagi ya?
Eyang kemana lagi?
Yang kemana?
Eyang lagi.
Gak pakai yang kemana itu?
Capek banget ngulangmu.
Kalau ribet mah
Sorry.
pakai.
Yes, please go on.
Nah ya, udah muncul dah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, number 1 is about the objectives of the study. The objectives of this study are, there are 4 points that I will mention. The first one is about to explain the basic principle of SFG and its application in language analysis.
Very good.
Yeah.
Based on the theories of Halliday and Matheson 2014 and Thomson 2014. That's actually for our references. The second is about to identify and analyze language structure elements such as clauses and clause constituent using
Clauses. Yeah.
Clauses
Yeah.
and clause constituents using SFG. Third, to provide examples of discourse analysis using SFG.
Analysis. But to analyze. Yeah. Analysis.
Using SFG to clarify its application in social and cultural contexts. The last but not least, to demonstrate how SFG can be used to understand language meaning in social and cultural contexts, and its implication for language teaching and linguistic research. Okay, next page, Mr. Tuhu. Okay. Thank you. And then the second materials is about the concept of system in SFG. A, the meaning of system in SFG itself. In SFG, the word system, it doesn't mean has a set of mechanical rules or fixed patterns. That means that whenever we speak or write, we are not just following grammatical rules, but we are choosing how to express meaning, and each choice has a particular effect on what we communicate. Okay, next page, Mr. Tuhu. B is about the difference between traditional grammar and functional grammar. First, the differences of traditional grammar is it focuses on rules and structure, or we call it as in syntax. But in SFG, it focuses on choices and meanings. We call it as in function. Second, for example, there's a question asked, is this sentence correct? But in SFG, it says, what meaning does this sentence make in context? Okay, as you guys can see that there are differences of the sentence, but of course the meaning is also kind of the same, which is pretty much similar. And then the third Not yet, Mr. Tuhu. Sorry. The third is about the traditional grammar. It treats grammar as fixed, but in SFG, treats grammar as flexible and purposeful. So it depends on the context of the sentence again. Okay, next page, Mr. Tuhu. Okay, this material will be delivered by Mr. Tuhu. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity. See examples with explanation. Let's analyze the example of Thompson uses to illustrate his idea. Sentence 1, he is coming now. Sentence 2, he comes now. Analysis.
Analysis.
Analysis. He is coming now. The sentence is in the present continuous tense. Is plus being. It represents the action as in progress, ongoing, or about to happen soon. It also conveys immediacy, something happening around this moment. Meaning in context, the speaker might be watching or waiting for the person, emphasizing that the action is happening right now or very soon. See example with explanation.
From the table is divided into aspects, tense,
view of time, impression given, contextual meaning. He is coming now. Tense is in present continuous.
I don't see the text here.
In the table, the central of the table. He is coming now.
It is examples with explanation. See, are you reading that part?
The table.
Or it's not in front of me. It's a different text.
Different text, sorry.
Examples with explanation.
Yeah. Example, I read this one.
He is coming now.
Yes. He is coming now. Tense in present continuous. View of time, action is ongoing. Impression given, immediate.
Immediate. Not immediate. Yes.
Immediate. Contextual meaning, emphasize, happening right now. He comes now. Tense is in simple present tense. Action is habitual, general, or dramatic. Impression given, unusual, formal, or literary. Contextual meaning, emphasize, pattern, or ritual. B. Why this example matter? Every grammatical choice, even something as small as tense or word order, reflect a difference in meaning, shaped by context. Your grammatical choices show how you view the event. How you view the event as ongoing, complete, habitual, etc. What kind of relations you want with your listener? Formal, polite, direct, distant. And how you organize information in your message. Chapter 3, the concept of system
in SFG. A. three meta functions
functions
in
in
SFG.
Thomson, following Holiday,
Explain that
language
language
is multifunctional. Every time we speak or write, we are making three types of meaning at the same time. First, ideational meaning, expressing experience or representing the word. Second, interpersonal meaning, interacting and enacting social relationship. Third, textual meaning, organizing our message into a coherent text.
Coherent text.
Coherent text. Ideational
meta
metafunction,
function.
representing experience.
Experience, ucapannya experience.
Ideational metafunction,
Function
representing experience. The ideational metafunction is concerned with how language represents our experience of the world, the things, people, actions, events, and the circumstances in which they happen. It answers questions like what is going on, who is doing what, when, where, why, and how. The transitivity system is the central part of this metafunction. It explains how clauses are structured to express events or states through three key components. From the table, you can see three parts:
component, function, example. Process, what happens,
what kind of
action or event it is. Example, explain. Participants, who or what is involved in the process. The teacher, the lesson.
Circumstances, where, when, how, or why it happens.
Example, period.
Interpersonal metafunction. Connecting relationship. The interpersonal metafunction is about interaction, how speakers and writers use the language to build relationships, express attitudes, and influence others. It focuses on the social roles we take when communicating. Are we giving information or demanding it? Are we making a statement, asking a question, or giving a comment? Are we being polite, certain, doubtful, or commending? 3. Textual metafunction, organizing the message. The textual metafunction focuses on how language organizes information into a coherent message that fits the context. It ensures that the text makes sense and flows naturally for the listener or reader. It answers questions like, what information do I start with? What do I emphasize or add next? How do I link my ideas smoothly? Main grammatical system, theme, rhyme system. From the element, theme, and rhyme. Function. The starting point of the message what the clause is about. Example, the cat. Rim, the rest of the clause.
Oh, clause.
The rest of the clause, new information about the team. Example is sleeping on the sofa. Now, the next explanation will be delivered by Miss Asri. Please, Miss Asri, continue.
Astri Permata.
Thank you, Mr. Tuhu. See, these meta functions see how these meta functions combine in a clause. Maaf, Mister, ini kayaknya ke lanjut slide ya, harusnya yang B. Slide nah, ya. Thank you, Mister. Yeah, B, how to three systems work together. Thompson emphasized that emphasizes that these three meta functions always operate simultaneously in every clause. Meta function, additional, focus, what is happening or content. Example of meaning, the teacher explained the lesson clearly, describes an event. The meta function, interpersonal, the focus is relationship between speaker and listener. For example of meaning, could you explain the lesson? Polite request. Meta function textual, the focus is organization of message. Example of meaning, the lesson was explained clearly by the teacher. They focus or theme change. The next slide. See how these meta functions combine in a clause.
Clause ya, kenapa sih clause terus? Oh, bukan close juga, close itu tutup.
Close.
No, clause,
In a clause.
Aduh, seperti toko, dari bahasa Indonesia toko, clause.
In a clause.
Aduh.
Nggak kedengeran aku.
Close mah tutup dong.
Close.
Ya, betul. Seperti toko, dosa, cukup gampang itu, mulut itu terbuka, bulat,
In a clause. To understand how they work together, Thompson suggests that we view a single clause as having three simultaneous layers of meaning. Let's take an example. For example, the teacher is explaining the lesson to the students. Now, we can see how each meta function operates at the same time. Even though there is
walaupun.
Even though there is only one clause, it carries three layers of meaning at once. The first, what is happening, or additional. The second, the relationship between speaker and listener, or interpersonal. And the last, how the information is organized, or textual. The next slide, Mister. The meta functions additional meaning function represents the events or experience, grammatical system, transitivity, how it appears in the clause, the teacher is explaining its process, the lesson, goal to the student, recipient, This shows who does what to whom. Meta function interpersonal. The meaning function enacts a social relationship or speaker's attitude, comment, statement, question, and etc. Grammatical system, mood, and modality. How it appears in the clause is explaining, declarative statement, natural, tone expresses information, not comment. Shows the speaker's role as giver of information. And the last meta function, textual. The meaning function organizes the message into a coherent structure. The grammatical system is theme frame. How it appears in the clause, the teacher is theme starting point of the message, is explaining the lesson to the students, is frame or new information. D. Why this essential? Thompson emphasizes that in systemic functional grammar, grammar is not just a set of separate rules for verbs, nouns,
Separate rules.
a set of separate rules for verbs, nouns, and etc. Instead, grammar is a network of meaning-making systems that operates together to create a full communicative act. Its meta function focuses on a different aspect of meaning, but they are interdependent. The first, you cannot express an idea or ideational without also taking a stance or forming a relationship or interpersonal. The second, you cannot deliver a message or textual without having some content or additional. The last, you cannot build a relationship or interpersonal without structuring your clause in a meaningful way or textual. And the last conclusion or summary. Thompson's main point is that SFG views grammar as a network of choices that relies three meta functions simultaneously. They are not separate layers added one after another, but different dimensions of the same linguistic events. The meta function, additional question, it answers what is happening, who is involved, main system, transitivity, meta function interpersonal, question it answers, what is my attitude, what am I doing with language, comment, question, statement, main system, mood and modality, and the last meta function textual, question it answers, how do I organize this message? What comes first? Main system, theme, frame. The last is references. S. Thompson's G 20 and 14, Introducing Functional Grammar, 3rd edition, Routledge, and the second, Halliday, MAK, and Matheson, C. 2014, Halliday's Introduction to Functional Grammar, 4th edition, Routledge. And the last references is Routledge. Routledge. And the last references is Agents S. 2004, An Introduction to Systemic Functional Linguistic Continuum. Okay. The next mungkin. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you,
Okay, thank you
Putri.
so
Maksud
much,
Putri ya? Itu
Miss
siapa?
Astri
Putri
and
tadi itu
Mr.
siapa?
Yang terakhir
Tuhu.
Astri. Ini yang berbicara
Astri.
yang tadi yang terakhir. Nah, ini nanti ditutup oleh Bu Putri.
Oh ya.
Okay, thank you so much everyone for listening to us, and I'm afraid that I think that's all from our group, and I'm so sorry if there is any mistake, and I think that's all from our group. Yeah, okay, that's all. Eyang, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. Practice some more, yeah, about reading.
Sudah selesai ya presentasinya.
Yeah.
Sudah selesai ya?
You finish
Sudah selesai.
the whole group.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we practice something?
It's okay.
Oh, we still have 45 minutes here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, I want to begin from Tuhu yourself, Tuhu. Yeah. We have been, this morning, we have been discussing grammatical systems in systemic, yeah.
Yeah.
That is chapter 9, yeah. Yeah. And I think you were the first, yeah, to read this, at least this page. Can you give us an example, yeah, of the grammatical systems in SVG? For instance, the first one, number 1, transitivity system. Yeah. The example here in number B. Yeah. The students, participants, discussed process with the topic in the classroom. Can you give an example of a similar sentence?
The student participant in.
Ya, ini kan ini the sentence ya as an example. Participant is just an explanation. The whole sentence is the students discussed the topics in the classroom. Yeah. Now this is a very simple sentence. Can you give us a same sentence with other words? Yeah. Tapi there is a subject, there is a verb, there is a place of time. Yeah, time. Adverb of place. Students discuss the topic in the classroom.
Now, another example.
Yes.
Is that the kids play football in the field.
What is the subject? The gift.
The kids.
The what?
The kids. The children or the kids. Anak-anak.
The kid.
The kids.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the kid. And
Play.
then the verb is what?
Play.
Play. Yeah. Past tense, yeah. Played what? Played football.
in the field.
In the field. Very good. Yeah. The kids played football in the different, yeah, a different subject tentunya ya. Wanita-wanita itu berbelanja buah-buahan atau membeli buah-buahan di pasar. Can you try, Astrid?
Iya,
Kelas
ma'am.
itu,
Sorry, tadi
oh ya,
putus-putus, ma'am. Sorry. Can you repeat again?
Pak Tuhul, sorry Pak. Memnya nggak ada di Zoom.
nggak ada, sebentar. Nggak ada di Zoom katanya. Keluar tadi,
Iya,
sebentar.
sinyalnya kayaknya Pak.
Oh, ini lagi.
Saya
Ya, sudah ada. Ini ya. Ini keluar tadi. Ini. Sudah ada. Keluar ini ya tadi. Jaringannya, nah jaringannya orang lain tadi.
yang yang gampang saja, yang gampang dibaca seperti gampang ini yang itu.
Ya, jaringannya. Nah, kita sih ya, harus. Jadi keluar dari Zoom. Nah, ini baru masuk lagi. Nah, ya.
Jangan dulu,
Nggak, langsung ke saya. Ini videonya yang langsung kelihatan di sini. Tuh, yang di situ. Nah, udah kelihatan ya.
Ya, terus
Yang langsung ngomong aja.
saya mau kasih kalimatnya gimana ya, atau ditulis mereka. Karena saya
Diucapkan aja ya, nggak apa-apa. Saya bantu tulis nanti. Yang ngomong saya tulis di layar ya. Yang ngomong apa? Saya tulis di layar.
karena saya ngambil buku, ini in English, supaya dia hanya terjemahkan saja ke dalam bahasa Inggris ya.
Ya, ini saya munculkan video.
I will say the question, the sentence in bahasa, ya. You can write down ya the sentence, ya. Perempuan-perempuan itu membeli buah-buahan di pasar. Ini bentuknya persis seperti kalimatnya Pak Tuhu tadi.
Iya.
Ya,
Polanya sama.
ya, ada subjek, ada kata kerjanya. Nah, sekarang please translate into English.
Perempuan-perempuan itu membeli buah-buahan di pasar.
Ya.
The woman bought
Perempuan-perempuan ya.
those women bought fruit.
Perempuan-perempuan, lihat itu kan it's plural.
That woman,
The women.
Women, ya.
Ini perempuannya in the plural, jamak.
the women bought fruits at the market.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. All right. This is a very simple, positive sentence. Now I want to ask
Putri.
tadi Astri ya. The same type here, Putri. The students,
Bahasa Indonesia.
para mahasiswa sedang menulis di perpustakaan sekolah.
Menulis apa ya? Objeknya belum ada.
Apa?
Menulis apa? Objeknya belum muncul.
The students, mahasiswa.
Objeknya belum ada.
Apa ya? Sama aja kan? Seperti yang tadi tuhu dan ya, maksudnya apa?
Tadi ada objeknya fruit, buah-buahan. Kalau ini menulis apa? Makalah.
Oh ya baik. Para siswa sedang menulis karangan di taman sekolah.
Ini Putri Andini ya?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try. The students are writing essays in the school library.
Menulis karangan.
Composition.
Yeah.
Story.
Karangan. Composition is fine, bagus. Can you repeat? Putri, can you repeat the sentence, Putri?
Okay.
Yes, Putri. Para murid sedang menulis karangan di perpustakaan sekolah. Nggak dengar ya?
Putri, halo Putri.
Kayaknya ketendang ya Pak ya?
Yeah, ma'am. Sorry. My signal. It was really bad.
Ya.
The students are writing their composition in the school library.
Yeah, that's enough. The
Okay.
students are writing compositions in the school library. Ya. Itu kan kalimat-kalimat biasa ya. Nah, dari kelas saya akan minta seorang pria. Ya. Paman saya menyetir mobil barunya di jalan tol. Paman saya
Sudah menyetir
Ya.
mobil barunya di jalan tol.
ya. Siapa ya?
Ada Pak Liga, ada Pak Arif, ada Pak Haris, ada 3 orang. Lagi hanya 4.
Tadi saya sebut siapa?
Belum.
Belum. Pak Rizal ya?
Pak Liga, Pak Arif.
Iya,
Pak Haris.
satu orang aja Pak Rizal. Nanti Pak Arif ke yang berikut ya.
Ya. Pak Liga lagi.
Ya, Pak Rizal, silakan. Please begin. Paman saya menyetir mobil barunya di jalan tol.
Yes, ma'am. My uncle driving his new car on highway.
On the highway, ya bagus. Iya, bagus.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. One of the girls. Kan boleh ya?
Boleh bebas.
Twinnie, can you try? Twinnie. Kartini likes to cook cakes.
Yang bahasa Indonesia ya?
Ganti. Teman saya suka menjahit bajunya sendiri. Teman saya suka menjahit bajunya sendiri. Siapa ya tadi? Twinnie ya.
Halo, ini ada nggak?
Twinnie. Can you read the sentence?
Terpental, Pak, sepertinya, Eyang.
Apa?
Nggak ada, keluar. Keluar karena jaringannya bermasalah.
Itu salah apanya? Ini ya.
Jaringannya nggak nyambung, jadi keluar dari Zoom.
Oh, jadi nggak bisa lagi.
Nanti masuk kembali bisa.
Oh, apa ada soal signal?
Iya, masalah sinyal.
Ini repot dong, nggak bisa ya.
Karena pengaruh tempat juga yang, jadi tiap tempat itu kan sinyalnya beda-beda, kuat enggaknya.
Ya pasti.
Ini masih banyak yang lain yang ada yang teman-teman Putri yang lain.
Orang mahasiswa lain.
Ya.
Oh ya baik.
Pak Tuhu, itu Eyang kayaknya keluar lagi.
Oh, keluar lagi ya. Bentar, bentar. Jaringannya yang keluar malah nggak lancar itu. Sini yang sini. Nggak ada. Nggak usah, nggak usah. Halo, suara saya dengar Pak, Bu.
Terdengar, Pak.
Terdengar, Pak. Pak.
Oke, oke. Yang
Boleh bisa mulai. Siapa tadi? Haris. Tadi saya panggil siapa Haris ya? Haris, silakan please translate this into English ya.
Yes, yang mana yang?
It's a man kan?
Kalimatnya yang mana ya, Pak Tuhu?
Haris, dear, can you hear me, Haris?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Oh, wow. This is very clear. Haris, can you translate the sentence here into English?
Can you repeat, ma'am, the sentence in Indonesian?
In Indonesian, you translate into English. Ya. Kemarin saya menonton film yang bagus sekali di bioskop dekat rumah saya. Panjang ya. Kemarin saya menonton film bagus sekali di dekat rumah saya. Di bioskop dekat rumah saya. Itu saja. Kemarin saya menonton film bagus sekali di bioskop dekat rumah saya.
Kemarin saya menonton film yang bagus dekat rumah saya.
Di bioskop dekat rumah saya.
Nonton film.
Kemarin saya menonton film bagus sekali di bioskop dekat rumah saya. It is a long sentence, but very easy to translate. This is very easy words in English.
Okay, I will try young. Yesterday, I watched a film, the very good film in bioskop near my house.
Bioskop dalam bahasa Inggris apa?
Cinema.
Yeah. Cinema.
In English tidak ada bioskop.
Nothing. So we can say bioskop. In the bioskop.
In the cinema near cinema.
Cinema.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
right.
at the movies ya boleh. Ya. Itu kan kata-kata sehari-hari ya. Baik. Atifatur. Atifatur, are you there? Is a cewek atau cowok? Atifatur.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya. Saya suka makan hidangan Jepang. Tetapi Dua nih ya.
I like eating Japanese food.
I like, jangan cepat-cepat. I
like eating Japanese food.
Iya, tapi belum selesai itu. I like eating Japanese food, tetapi tidak suka dibaca paling di belakangnya ya. Tetapinya itu paling akhir. Tetap saya suka makan hidangan Jepang, ya, tetapi tidak suka hidangan sukiyaki. Ya,
I like eating Japanese food, but I don't like sukiyaki.
ya bagus sekali. Ya. Berikut. Arif Purnama.
Yes, ma'am.
Akhir-akhir ini banyak terjadi kebakaran. Banyak terjadi kebakaran yang disebabkan korsleting. Ya,
Sebentar, ma'am. Saya buka translate dulu. Yang
disebabkan korsleting.
korslet mah baju striptis. Oleh korsleting ya.
Nanti I'll tell you the English word for korsleting.
Yes, ma'am. I try it. Recently, there have been many fires caused by electrical short circuits.
Iya, betul.
Thank you, ma'am. I love
Yeah.
you.
Recently there have been many fire. Tulisnya course-nya lain.
Kaus tulisannya.
Past tense.
Disebabkan,
Ya,
ya, disebabkan past tense ya.
kausnya itu bentuknya
Causit.
past participle.
Iya, cause
By.
Yeah, by electrical.
nggak
Short
usah sebelum biasa short circuit, short circuit itu short
pendek,
ya.
Pak.
Pendek. Bahasanya buat korsleting. Pendek. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa pendek?
Lawannya long, short.
Short. Kalau elektrikalnya itu tidak perlu. Karena kalau tahu dari short circuit itu pasti listrik. By short circuit. Ya, very good. Ya. Satu lagi ya. Sebentar. Oh, Nurlina tidak ada hari ini ya. Putri Ngawirabaya.
Yes,
Putri.
ma'am.
Ya. Minggu lalu terjadi tabrakan atau minggu lalu terjadi kecelakaan lalu lintas eh, ketika sebuah truk menabrak pengemudi motor. Kemarin terjadi kecelakaan lalu lintas ketika sebuah truk menabrak pengendara motor. Kemarin terjadi tabrakan kecelakaan lalu lintas ketika sebuah truk menabrak pengemudi. Ya,
Yes.
panjang kalimatnya.
Yesterday there was a traffic accident while a truck
When
ketika
when
a truck hit a rider. Is that correct, ma'am?
not the last one. Pasti itu kata rider itu pengemudi motor.
Motorcycle rider, ma'am?
Iya.
Ya.
Atau motor cycle
Rider.
motor cyclist. Ya. Tapi
motorcyclist.
motorcycle rider boleh.
Okay. Yesterday there was a traffic accident when a truck hit motorcycle rider.
A motorcycle rider.
A motorcycle rider.
Ya. Nah, anak-anak, ya, saya kira latihan-latihan begini menurut Anda berguna enggak?
Useful, ma'am.
Sangat berguna, ma'am. Sangat berguna.
Very useful.
Ya. Baik. Mungkin baru
We love it,
sekali
ma'am.
ini, baru kali ini ya Anda diminta melakukan latihan-latihan ini. Ya. Saya kira itu baik juga ya untuk ucapan ya. Dan saya coba tidak menyulitkan dengan dalam hal tenses ya. Karena tenses itu memang suatu masalah. Apalagi kalau tensesnya past tense itu continuous itu. Baik anak-anak, ya saya senang bisa berlatih ya yang positif, yang pasti untuk memperbaiki ucapan-ucapan Anda. Makanya I keep the sentences short, and simple, So hoping to see you next week, with the next chapter. I don't know what chapter it is, but we are progressing well. So see you again next week. Take care. And try follow my advice. Watching television just 10 minutes every evening to practice your pronunciation. So please watch English programs, but preferably from a foreign channel. Singapore is very easy and the language is very useful, and not complicated at all. Singaporeans speak British English, not American English. So have a nice rest of your weekend. See you next week. Bye.
Bye,
next
ma'am.
time.
See you
Thank
next
you so
week.
much.
Thank you, Eyang.
Iya.